Here's a quick one for Friday. Hey everyone, we're working with Excel and a recent version. This is actually the Excel from Office 365, and notice that I have a column A with first and last names, sometimes middle names, etc. As soon as I start typing first names, Excel is smart enough to figure out what I'm trying to do. If I go to the fourth record where I have a middle name and I correct the middle name, notice that Excel and this flash fill feature figures out what I'm trying to do. If I go down to an example where I have a hyphen and I get rid of the beginning of a name that has a hyphen, it gets rid of that. Then when I go to column C and I start typing, it doesn't figure out the pattern immediately. I can go to Data Tools, Flash Fill, and it figures out the pattern. If it gets the pattern wrong, correct the first one it saw wrong, and it fixes the rest. Thanks for watching. Thanks everyone for the support. If you can click on the link or subscribe to this channel, once I get to 100, I can actually shorten it. Have a great weekend.